What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the domain of logarithmic functions. And we're specifically talking about natural logs here, right? So we just got two quick examples that we're going to go over. Here, first we have f of x is equal to the natural log of x minus 2. So remember, we can only take the natural log of positive numbers, all right? So whatever pops out of this set of parentheses has to be positive, all right? So if we want to find the domain, we simply take whatever's inside of these parentheses. So this is x minus 2, and we're going to say that it has to be bigger than 0, all right? Now we just have to solve for x, all right? So the first thing we can do is get rid of this negative 2 by adding 2 to both sides. Those cancel out, and here we get that x is greater than positive 2, right? So this is the domain right here. Another way that we could write this is using interval notation. So we're saying that x has to be bigger than positive 2, all right? So that means the domain would go from positive 2 to infinity, positive infinity. All right, now let's try this last one right here. So we have g of x is equal to the natural log of, in parentheses, negative x minus 5, all right? So again, we just want to take whatever's inside of these parentheses, negative x minus 5, and just say that it has to be bigger than 0. All right, so again, solving for x, we can first get rid of this negative 5 by adding 5 to both sides. Those cancel out, so we get negative x is greater than positive 5. And then we can get rid of this negative sign by dividing both sides by negative 1. Those cancel out, and here we're left with x is less than. Remember, we have to switch the sign of the inequality whenever we multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, right? So that's why we're switching it here. And then 5 divided by negative 1 is negative 5, all right? So here, this would be the domain. X has to be smaller than negative 5. Or again, if you wanted to write this in interval notation, we could say that the domain goes from negative infinity to negative 5. Boom. So if you found the video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below.